Today's tidbit is on the famous Indian writer of Malayalam literature. This Indian writer was born in Kuttanad, at present called Alappuzha, the district of Kerala, and the personality is popularly known as Thagazhi, and he is none other than Thagazhi Sivashankaran Pillai. Hailing from an underdeveloped village, he had his early education. He went to Trivandrum to study law, and later this helped him to work as a pleader. The years he spent in Trivandrum made him familiar with world literature, especially with the novels of Balzac, Flaubert, Maupassant, Hugo, and Tolstoy. So his literary works and his literary ideas he projected through his fictions, short stories, and memoirs gave him the title Kerala's Maupassant. Thagazhi is a novelist and a short story writer. He wrote over 30 novels and novellas along with 600 short stories which are focusing on the lives of oppressed classes. The stories and the novels reveals the twin influence of Freud and Karl Marx. All his 600 odd short stories, his novels, his innumerable articles, the biographical writings, travelogues, everything they had the concern for mankind. So they run through the whole gamut of human emotions. So Thagazhi, he belongs to the literary movement called realism, and he is a recipient of Padma Bhushan in 1985, Janpith in 1984, Sahitya Akademi in 1957, and Kerala Sahitya Akademi for his fiction Enipadigal in 1965. Thagazhi's the most famous and the worldwide novel is Chemmi. So the novel was very successful and it is a love epic. The story is of the relationship between Karuthamma, the daughter of a Hindu fisherman, and Parikutti, the son of a Muslim fish wholesaler. So this particular novel is the first post-colonial Indian novel to be translated into English. So this widely successful novel was translated into Russian, German, French, Arabic, Italian, and several Indian languages. So the theme of the novel Thagazhi projected was a myth about chastity. And the novel acquires the quality of fable in which the life in the fisherman's community is depicted with great emotional details. And the custom, the taboos, the beliefs, the rituals, and the day-to-day business of the living through the pain of existence, they come alive. They are narrated alive through Thagazhi's pen. So in short, Thagazhi's imagination was down to earth and his theme was man's attachment to the earth.